What's up, YouTube? Marty Bacardi back at you again. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I just got done, washing and waxing the marrow is what they call with the Meguiar's wash and wax. So, I mean, it came out pretty good. I got my brother in the background washing his marrow right now. But, yeah, it came out pretty good. I'm still going to take this car in to get it repainted one day because this is the original paint on the marrow. Black on black, but yeah. So with the outside, just put those new rims on, 22s, Shanties, put the new spoiler in the back. Yep, came out pretty tight. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to probably repaint this car one day again. But in the meantime, I'm gonna rock this paint job for now, and then I'm gonna take it in and get it repainted. Like I said, this is the factory paint job for being 11 years old. This is a 2010 SS right here, 2SS. So yeah, I'll show you what the inside looks like. So yeah, that's what the inside's looking like. It's all leather, Inside, the back seat's very clean. I just picked it up like maybe probably about 2 months ago or a month ago. It's got silver inserts in the door. Everything works on this car. It's a real SS. It's got the SS on the steering wheel. It's a 6-speed. It's got the Hurst stock shifter in there. But yeah, this is my marrow, y'all. Dashboard's pretty clean. Yeah, I'll show you what the motor looks like. The motor has been rebuilt. Taken out the car and bored over, 30 over. They took the heads apart, did the heads. It's got the stock air cleaner on there because the previous owner wanted it that way. So when they do pop the hood, it looks all stock as can be as possible because of the big stage 4 monster cam that's in here. This fucking car just chops, man, on the idle. It's got over 500 rear torque. So it's like over 500 horsepower on this engine. I think it's got Cook's headers, long tube headers going all the way down. It's got the MSD wires on it. Yeah, man, this engine runs real strong. Got it from some dude out in San Mateo that just built the motor. It's got under 10,000 miles. Hasn't even hit 10,000 yet. But yeah, the car has, I think, 161 on the car. But the whole rear end and everything's been taken out and replaced with the 2014 Camaro rear end. Everything. So they just swapped it out. But yeah, it's my marrow, y'all. So I'll get a cold start for y'all right now. All right, YouTube, it's your boy Marty Bacardi. Let's get up in here. Get that cold start jumping off so I can let y'all hear what the cam sound like. Stage 4 monster cam, yo. So yeah, you hear it, y'all. Performance mufflers on there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah. It's got GM performance mufflers on it with a stage 4 monster cam. Motor built. So I'll do a little walk around my mirror. Motor's running. It sounds really good with the long tube headers on there. The whole engine is all clean. Put the engine bay cover on there. So when I pop the hood, it looks all complete. The previous owner had it off because I guess the motor probably breathes better. I don't know, but I like it with it on. When I pop the hood, it looks all complete and all stock, but the motor's not stock. But it looks stock if you pop the hood. So it's a sleeper, y'all. Got the 22s on it. This is my IROC right here, my 92. I'm gonna get that one washed too. There's nothing wrong with that. Camaro is just sitting. I just had to upgrade to the LS3 engine. I was gonna LS3 this car, but I found a really good deal on this car and I couldn't pass it up, especially with all the motor work that was done to the engine. I had to get it, y'all. So yeah, that's my engine, what it's looking like. Y'all see it? Marty Bacardi's SS Camaro 2SS 2010. Black on black with silver inserts on the door, black leather interior, all that. So yeah, y'all, you see my Camaro. This is like the first video I'm gonna put on YouTube of my Camaro. That's my Instagram. Y'all can follow me. It's private, so yeah, just follow me. All right, YouTube's Marty Bacardi. I'm back. Just got done armor rolling the tires, and let me say, it came out really good. This is the other one. I'm gonna do a little walk around and I'll show you the armor roll that I used. Okay, just got done armor. I used the Black Magic tire wet right here. This is what I use right here on the interior. This is what I use on the tires. Okay, because this shit right here makes the whole leather look really shiny. Some people don't like it because it slips around when you're in the interior, but I like that. And I also like the way it smells. So yeah, I do the whole interior with this, and I do all my tires with this right here. This shit works very well. It gives you that real wet look, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what Marty Bacardi uses. I also use one of these sponges right here. Put it on the interior, on the tire as well. So yeah, there's my car. Just gave it a little clean. And yeah, you know, it sucks because this car is black, factory paint job, and it just shows everything. And I just washed it. You can already see the dust and the lint that's already fallen on top of it. But those for you out there that know about black paint, that's just how it is. But yeah, y'all, there's my Camaro 2010 SS 2SS with a rebuilt, pumped up motor, bored out 30 over. The heads are pumped up, new valve springs, new guides, new springs, everything, valves, all that. It's all pumped up, and it's got a stage 4 monster cam in here, and this thing just chops. So this is Marty Bacardi, and like I said, that's my Instagram right there. If y'all want to follow me on Instagram. But yeah, my 22s right there. Yeah, that's my Camaro. Got my other Camaro in the background right there, 92 25th anniversary, 5-speed T-top Camaro. I'll do some more videos on that car as well right here. But yeah, y'all, so once again, y'all gotta subscribe, like my videos, and hit all notifications so you get all the latest Camaro videos that I got jumping off out here. So yeah, y'all, once again, this is my IROC, my 25th anniversary. Last year, the body style of the IROC, because the IROC last year was a 1990, 91, 92 were special editions with this wing that you see on there. The IROCs did not come with that wing. And I got a 3-crown induction metal hood. This is not fiberglass, this is metal hood. Yeah, it's like a crawl wood, or what, I forgot, hardwood. I think that's the name of the brand of the hood, I'm not sure. But yeah, y'all, Marty Bacardi, and I'm out. Remember, like I said, subscribe and like my videos, because there will be more videos on the Camaro, you know, especially on my brother's Camaro as well. He just got done giving it a wash. Just threw them 22-inch IROCs on there as well. My brother's Camaro, that motherfucker's wet, y'all. So stay tuned to all the new SS Camaro videos we got going, all right? We got them studs and spiked out wheel locks right there on the IROCs. Motherfucker looking wet, y'all. So yeah, there's my brothers. Instagram. So if y'all want to give him a follow, give him a follow. Sicker than most. LS3 King. My brother shit right here, y'all. So yeah, like I said, it's Marty Bacardi, and I'm out.